Hi everybody! Yesterday I finished creation of mission transaction in the mission front-end app. And today I'm going to work on the drone side of this flow. Bye!
Hey there, Davers! So today I am focused on the privacy policy and terms and conditions which are going to govern our crowd sale, the KYC process, and the network itself. I'm also talking with the person doing the contract audit for our smart contract for the token sale and the token itself. And I have a conversation later tonight with our general counsel. And if you can hear someone mumbling and talking to themselves in the background, that's Shuffle over there. See you tomorrow.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I was focused on my scheduled outreach to our early contributors. Today I have a few more agreements to execute, and I of course have the ongoing incoming emails to respond to. See you tomorrow.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today I started the day with making preparations for the new DAV in a nutshell video. I ordered shooting equipment and I ensured the location to shoot at. We're gonna do it downstairs at the Impact Labs, and we're gonna have some robots in the background. It's gonna be really cool. After that, I made final adjustments to Alan Mester's interview and uploaded it. It's up and running and you can check it out right over here. Then I made some minor tweaks to our name and titles. I made a shadow stronger so it'd be more visible. And then I edited the DailyDAV. After that, I did some research for the DAV Alliance video. We are thinking of making the animation for that video a whiteboard sketching style. So I was looking for companies that does that kind of stuff. And that we might use their service for this. And that will be it for today. See you next time.
Hey DailyDAVers, so not much to update today. I'm still working on making the flow between mission control and the DAV SDK work correctly. Not sure yet if I'm going to finish this today, but I hope so. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. Yesterday, majority of the day was taken up by focusing and building out these different spreadsheets for some partnerships we're working on currently. So a lot of work and research going into those different partnerships forms. Today, the biggest focus has been around the KYC. A lot of work around the KYC, getting it up and running, making sure that everything is going to go off without a hitch. And also we had a great management meeting this morning. That's it everybody. Have a great day.